Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on your UMPQUA Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in umpquabank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for UMPQUA Bank. Now click on it Personal from the homepage and then click on Home Loans. And now you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then click on Personal Banking. You can now enter your login ID within the given section, and after entering your username, click on the login button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button once again, and you will be logged into your account on UMPQUA Bank Home Loans. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Need Help Logging In, and you can follow the given instructions in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your home loan account or your mortgage account on UMPQUA Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.